First, go to the sidebar and click on Data in Audience, then select Datasets. Now click on the Create Dataset button. Next, choose your data source, SQL or CSV. If you select SQL, enter your connection details such as connection name, port, host name, database, username, and password. Then choose your driver, for example, MySQL or PostgreSQL, and click on Test Connection. Once the connection is successful, click on Next. If you choose CSV, simply upload your file by dragging and dropping it or select it from your system. You can also import from Google Drive. After uploading, click on Next. Now select the table you want to use. You can search for your table, and once selected, you'll see a preview of the data. Click on Next to continue. In the next step, map your columns. Match fields like first name, last name, email, phone, address, and date of birth correctly with your dataset columns. Once done, click on Submit. Finally, enter a name for your dataset and click on Save Dataset. And that's it! Your dataset is now successfully created and ready to use.